China's coronavirus is already hitting hard here at home in the U.S. The CDC has confirmed 5 cases, and it's investigating another 73 in 26 states. U.S. stocks are taking a hit as well. Our Heather Sells joins us now with more. Heather.
Mark, the race is on to contain this virus. Chinese authorities say it has killed at least 80 people so far, and it has infected more than 2,700. But public health experts in Hong Kong are warning that it is worse than that.
New data shows as many as 2,600 people could be infected with the coronavirus. Plus, up to 44,000 people could be incubating it. Last week, the World Health Organization held off in declaring the virus a global health emergency, but the organization's director has flown to China to help officials create the best containment plan. The new virus often starts with cold-like symptoms. It can then lead to a fever, cough, and pneumonia.
The characteristics of this virus are still being determined, which is why we're taking this as a serious threat to public health.
In the U.S., authorities have hospitalized and isolated the 5 patients who they say are in good condition. But in China, massive travel bans continue, affecting some 50 million people. The U.S. consulate in Wuhan now plans to use a charter plane to evacuate Americans trapped in the region. ABC News spoke with one young family desperate to leave.
My biggest concern for my 3-month-old, is developing immune system. We're scared, and there's a little guilt involved putting him in this situation.
U.S. stocks tumbled earlier today after a sell-off in markets in Europe and Japan following China's latest announcement about the growing number of cases. Travel and tourism companies are seeing steep losses. Meanwhile, workers in Wuhan are working with prefabricated buildings to construct a second new hospital there. It will hold beds for 1,500 patients, and authorities say it will be ready next week.
Today, the mayor of Wuhan offered to resign if it would help combat the virus. He admitted that the city did not disclose news of the outbreak when it first became known, but said he was waiting on authorization from the central government of China.